comments?
Yeah, my daughter just said the other night at the dinner table, she got good hair, Dad. Yeah, so she never said that before.
Hi Steve, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We're going to present Steve here months ago, and we're going to show you the pre-pictures first. This is Steve. You can see here quite a marked thinning in the anterior 1/3 of the scalp. The hairline is also thinned, and you can see he has lost areas of the hairline there, as well as you can see right through almost to the anterior 1/3 to 1/2 of the scalp. So this is bordering on a Norwood 3 pattern. You can see here the thinning on the right side, the thinning on the left side, and we performed a strip transplant on November the 3rd, 2016. Steve comes back today, which is the 6 months post-transplant, and we'd like to show you the results. Here you can see it's very high density. The hairline is completely natural. There is no see-through, as you could see in the pre-op pictures. And if you, Steve, if you look on that side, you can see the results there. And on the other side, Steve, you can see the results there. And chin down a little bit, and you can see here this magnificent density, very high density, extremely high density, and you can see the result. Steve, what do you think of the transplant?
Tickled. Yeah, it's thick and couldn't be happier.
Are you glad you did that transplant?
I am. It was, I didn't come in here in a crisis, but I saw both my father and mother go through hair thinning, and so it was more preemptive than anything. So
the children noticed that, and I guess family, perhaps friends, did they have they noticed? Have they made any comments?
Yeah, my daughter just said the other night at the dinner table, she got good hair, Dad. Yeah, so she never said that before.
Yeah.
I say that to her.
Have you, for anybody out there who's thinking of getting a hair transplant, what would your advice to them be, given your experience?
I came to Dr. Gupta without any real knowledge of the clinic. Was walked through the steps, the fair pricing, and the operation was handled quickly. So end to end, I didn't want it to drag out for 2 weeks, 2 months, 2 years. So here I am 6 months later, soup to nuts.
Thank you so much.